Welcome to a quick demonstration of the signNow and SAP Business One integration. Let's look at how seamlessly you can send and track documents for signature. Starting inside SAP, open your sales quotation. To initiate the signing process, simply navigate to the Signature Status dropdown, select Request to Sign, and click Update. SAP automatically generates the final sales agreement document in the background and securely routes it through signNow. Almost instantly, your client receives an email notification inviting them to review and sign the agreement. They simply click View Document to get started. No account creation required. The document opens in signNow's secure, intuitive interface. The client clicks to apply their legally binding signature, fills out any required fields like the date, and clicks Finish to complete the transaction. Back in SAP Business One, the system automatically updates. You can easily track your completed agreements directly from your dashboard by clicking on the Signed Process Ed tile. By opening the updated sales quotation and navigating to the Attachments tab, you can view the fully executed PDF, complete with the client's signature, automatically saved directly to the SAP record. Streamline your document workflows and close deals faster. Start your free trial with AirSlate signNow today.